Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I'll be making kale salad. This is our kale from our garden, looking so beautiful. Picking some kale here, nice and fresh. Kale salad today. Look at that, nice and fresh. That's good. Okay. So look at all the kales we got here. So fresh from our garden. Look.
Oh, check out the squash that's growing.
Looks so nice. Just the only squash. I didn't see any more. The only one. It's so huge.
What is that? Zucchini?
Yeah. Kale is so fresh, looking so nice. We just picked them. So I'll wash them, shake it out, the water, then I'll make some nice kale salad. That's how it is. You take all the stems off and just cut it up with your hand like this. Add in some red onion. I already cut up half a red onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a cup of feta cheese, crumbled feta, walnut, nice and fresh. Mix everything together now. Looking nice. This salad is nice and healthy. Lots of iron in the kale and walnut. And some nice feta cheese too. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you like how it turns out. And see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Kale salad looks so nice and fresh from our garden. And so